Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the world of Stoicism and how you can apply its timeless wisdom to your daily life. I'm going to share with you 5 crucial things you should do every single day to live like a true Stoic. Trust me, these practices will transform your life. 1. Morning reflection. Rise and shine. It's time to set the tone for your day. The first thing you should do every morning is practice reflection. Take just 5 minutes to sit in silence and ask yourself, 1. What challenges might I face today? 2. How can I prepare myself to handle them with grace? 3. What virtues do I want to embody today? This simple practice will help you face the day with clarity and purpose. 2. Practice gratitude. Next up, it's time to cultivate some serious gratitude. Take a moment to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small, from having a roof over your head to enjoying your morning coffee. Seneca, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to the abundance already in your life. 3. Embrace discomfort. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Stoics believed in voluntary discomfort to build mental resilience. Try taking a cold shower, skipping a meal, or doing an extra tough workout. Why? Because intentionally facing discomfort prepares you for life's unexpected challenges. Remember, comfort is the enemy of growth. 4. Memento mori. This might sound a bit morbid, but stay with me. Memento mori means remember that you will die. Take a moment each day to contemplate your own mortality. It's not about being gloomy, it's about gaining perspective and appreciating the preciousness of time. Ask yourself, if this was my last day on earth, how would I spend it? This practice helps you focus on what truly matters and live with urgency. 5. Evening review. As your day winds down, it's time for the final Stoic practice, the evening review. Reflect on your day and ask, 1. What did I do well? 2. Where did I fall short? 3. How can I improve tomorrow? Be honest with yourself, but don't judge. The goal is progress, not perfection. Until next time, stay stoic and keep growing.